guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a little vlog style pack with me for Italy because I'm leaving for Italy on Friday and today is Wednesday afternoon. I am so excited, guys. Anyways, I've never done a little pack with me video before, so I thought it would be a fun video to do for this trip. Also, I look really questionable right now. I don't really know what this whole look is, so ignore that. Anyways, I am going to Florence, Italy to visit my friend who is studying abroad, Melanie, and I'm super excited. I don't really know what to pack because it's supposed to be like in the 50s, which is kind of an awkward temperature. Okay, but I do want to do a little disclaimer before I start to show you guys. I am an overpacker and I do have some reasons for that. Okay, first of all, if you guys follow my Instagram, you know I post a lot of fashion photos and I am kind of trying to transition my Instagram more over to like a fashion kind of blogger aesthetic. Not totally, I mean I post a lot of fashion photos to begin with, but I would like to kind of start doing that a bit more. So I want to bring a lot of clothes to make a lot of outfits so I can get a lot of photo content while I'm there. So that's the first reason. The second reason is just because I've never been to Italy before, and like I said, it's kind of a weird temperature range, so I want to make sure that I bring everything that I will need. But yeah, basically I'm an overpacker. I know I am. I know I'm packing more than I need, so I just want to put that out there. So I'm not completely packed right now. I have all my stuff laid out on my couch that I know I want to bring like in outfits, and then I still have to kind of put everything in and add like pajamas and underwear and socks and all that boring stuff. Okay guys, so this is the current state of my living room area. All of my pillows and such are on top of my couch, and then all the outfits and things that I know I want to bring are on the couch, and then shoes are right there. Honestly, looking at this, it doesn't seem like a lot to me. I think this is pretty normal. I mean, I probably will add a few more things, but yeah, I don't know. I think this is pretty good. This is just stuff that I've ordered that I have yet to put away or shown in haul videos, so I'm not bringing all of that. These are the two main big fluffy coats that I'm bringing. I just ordered this one from H&M. I've always wanted a fluffy cheetah coat. And then this red one from IMG. I'm gonna wear this one on the plane so that it won't be taking up a lot of space. But I am gonna try and shove this one in my suitcase, which my suitcases are right here. I'm bringing a normal size bag and then a carry-on bag. Oh, and I will link this luggage down below because everyone always loves it and I love it, so I want you guys to check it out. Okay, moving over to this end. Here are the shoes that I have. I think I'm gonna add in a pair of black like slide-on sneakers as well, but I just have my Air Force Ones, my black booties, some loafers, and then my Louis Vuitton desert boots. But here we go. These are just kind of miscellaneous items. I don't really want to go too into depth because I feel like I'm going to show you guys when I'm packing them, but these are just two of my favorite pairs of jeans. They're like the same style from Redone. I just have a black little turtleneck long sleeve here. This cheetah sweater with some leather pants. I have these super fun red pants with a black sweater. This little mauve sweater, some black jeans, a little beanie. This outfit I'm gonna plan on wearing with the red fluffy jacket. I also have my Gucci belt thrown over here because I feel like I'll probably wear it at some point. And then this is just like an extra sweater and extra beanie that I think would be cute. This is what I have right now. Like I said, I think I'm gonna need to add in a few more things in case we're gonna go out to like a bar or a club or anything. I wanna make sure that I have enough for that. But for now, I do want to start packing this stuff because I want to see how much room I have. I was just about to pack these jeans along with my other pants, and I realized they have stains all over them, probably from when I wore them out. So I'm going to have to wash these before I pack them. Okay guys, well now my washer's on, and the person that lives above me, actually no, it's a person that lives like 2 doors or 3 doors down, and I always can hear their music, which is so odd to me because it's like, wouldn't the people in between us be going crazy? But anyways, I'm going to show you guys. I am packing my pants first, and I'm going to wash those black pants, or I am washing those black pants, and I'm going to add those in at the end. First is just this washed black pair by Redone. Then I also have this flared red pair. Like I said, if you want to see all of these on, definitely check out my Instagram. And I also might be doing like an outfits of the week while I'm there. So this red pair, they're flared, It's really cool. They're supposed to be cropped, but I am really short, so they're kind of full-length flares, but I actually think that I'm into that again. Okay, next is this pair of leathery pants from XLE, the label, and I really like these. I haven't worn them yet. The only thing is that when I walk, I tried them on and they made a really weird noise, so we'll see, but I think these are super fun. And then like I showed you, I'm also bringing these two pairs of just my favorite style of jean. So I'm gonna plop those on top. And then they all fit in here nicely. I just have a dryer sheet in here because it was sitting on my counter and I figured it would make things smell nice. So I just kind of threw it in, but there's all my pants. They fit in there pretty nicely. Okay, so my washing machine got really, really loud. And of course I couldn't wait until after I filmed to put in the wash, but I decided that I would go and get a coffee in the meantime, and hopefully by the time I get back it won't be so loud. So I'm gonna go walk and get a coffee. Okay, so I got the latte. Kind of bummed because I've gone back to this specific place so many days this week to get their oat milk latte, and they're always out of oat milk. So I got an almond milk one. It's still really good. Okay guys, I am now back from getting a coffee. I literally left it up there. Okay, here we are. Hopefully the lighting's not too bad. I didn't feel like pulling out a ring light. I wanted this video to be nice and chill, so. Okay, next I like to pack little shirts because I can easily roll them up into a ball and kind of stuff them in here. First I have this little black lacy tank, and I'm actually packing this potentially to wear to a bar one night underneath this white turtleneck bodysuit from Redone. The reason I have so much from Redone in this video is because they just sent me a little PR package. That's where this stuff is from, and I wanted to wear it and stuff because I love them and I'm so thankful that they sent me this stuff. So I'm packing a lot of that, but I thought this layered over top of that with some high-rise jeans could be cute. I haven't tried it on because I'm too lazy, but I'm hoping it will look good, and if not, I know I can wear them separately. I guess I'm going to show you guys them and then pack them all. But yeah, I also have the little white turtleneck bodysuit, and then similarly to that, I just have a black turtleneck. This one's not a bodysuit. This is from H&M, but I really like this style right now. And then kind of similarly, I have this black waffle knit bodysuit. This is only to be worn, well, I mean, no, not only to be worn. I'm only bringing this to wear under sweaters that are itchy / to give me extra warmth. So this is just a black bodysuit from Brandy Melville. And then I'm also bringing this little tee from Redone. I'm thinking of wearing this with a red jacket. You guys probably saw it on the couch. Okay, so there's what that currently looks like. I am by no means an expert packer. My mom is the real expert packer. If she's watching this, hi mom, shout out. The good thing about this suitcase is I have that whole other top space to put stuff in. Okay guys, now it's time to try and stuff the sweaters in here. And keep in mind, I still want to put my toiletries and such in here, so we'll see how that goes. First, I just have this really, really soft gray turtleneck, cowl neck sweater. I love this. It's so soft. I got this, I think I got it from Lord & Taylor, but they also sold the same one at Saks off 5th. It's by French Connection, but it's so soft. I have this in a burgundy color too, and I love it. That's just gonna go with a lot if I don't know what to wear one day. This next sweater is from Avicii. Oh my god, my nose is running. It's so adorable. It's this light pink chunky sweater with hearts on it. I think it's the cutest thing ever, so I had to pack this. Okay, this has been my basic classic sweater so far this season. It's just this black knit sweater from Jack by BB Dakota. I got this off of Lulu's, but it's kind of cropped, but it doesn't show any skin, so it's the perfect amount of cropped, if you know what I mean. And then I showed you guys this, but I'm just bringing this little leopard print sweater from And Other Stories. And then I'm gonna pack these two beanies. I have my little black one. I got this in Paris. And then I have this little mauve one that I just got from H&M. Okay, I don't know how I got my camera to balance like this, but we're gonna go with it. I really don't know how I'm gonna pack these sweaters, but I think I'm gonna try and roll them like I did with the other things and see how it goes. I might kind of put them, at least the smaller ones, on this side. Okay, cool. So I think that's actually looking pretty good. I have all this space over here, and then all of this can still flatten down a lot. And then I do have that top space so that I can put my cheetah jacket on top of all of this. And then I do still have the carry-on, and I'm also going to be bringing a backpack. So it's looking okay. Like, I think I can, I think I'll be able to fit everything. Okay, so a quick update. I've been packing a bit while listening to My Favorite Murder, the podcast. It's super good. You guys should listen to it if you like true crime and that kind of stuff. But I just packed my underwear and bras in that little thing, and I'm about to pick some sunglasses to put in my little backpack carry-on, and then I also put some pajamas in here. Okay, so update number 2, I think. I have now put all of my nicer bags and shoes and such in this carry-on because I don't want to take a risk of packing them in my checked bag. So I put them all in here. I don't know if I'm gonna put anything else in here. I might put like my camera and anything else that's more valuable in the carry-on. But yeah, I try to do that when I can because you never know with checked bags. But I have everything in dust bags, just miscellaneous dust bags that I had left over so they don't get dirty or anything. Hello guys, it's actually the next day now, and I'm about to start packing my makeup and toiletries and all that kind of stuff, and I just picked up a few things from CVS, so I wanted to show you those. Okay, this is my favorite eyeliner. This is the L'Oreal Liquid Pencil Eyeliner, and I was running out in brown, so I grabbed this. And then I'm out of my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, but I don't have a Sephora near me, so I just picked up this NYX dupe. We'll see how it works, but this is their Tame and Frame Brow Pomade. And then I got a travel size of my favorite dry shampoo. This is the only one that works for me. This is the Batiste dry shampoo, just their original scent. So I'm gonna throw these in my makeup bag. All right, I have now added my makeup bag as well as my toiletry bag, and then the black jeans that I had to wash. So that is the majority of these suitcases. There's my bra. I just need to put in the shoes and the jacket, and then I'm pretty much good to go. Okay, so now the goal is just to close the suitcase. So let's see. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if you want to follow along with my trip, make sure you are subscribed here and following me on my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you.